In this video, I will show you how to fix the World App restricted account. So there's actually some reason why you are restricted under the World. And for this case, I actually have in here the World App Health Center. In here, if you're unable to reach result and some app functions have been restricted, you can head over and see right here what are not available if you're restricted. So in there, you can actually refer to the terms and condition and see what you actually violated. So in here, you can actually contact your support team to assist. So for this case, you can just scroll down further and you can see right here their social icons. You can proceed to send them an email by clicking onto this icon right here or send them a message through Facebook, Instagram, as well as X or YouTube and Instagram right there. So for this case, you just need to actually contact support in order to really know what is actually the reason your account is restricted. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.